Hi, in this week's video, we'll be going over the loops demo. For this week, you were assigned a task to create a random shape with random colors using the turtle program. To start off our code, let's import random and import turtle. As usual, this will allow us to use the random function and the turtle function throughout the program. A new note, we write that the slash mark lets you continue the code on the next line, but the program reads it as if it is on the same line. This will be helpful later on for our list of colors. Now let's make our list of colors. We can do this by setting our list name to equal colors and then equals, and then in the brackets, we need to write 12 different colors. I've chosen to use pink, coral, red, blue, green, lavender, orange, white, yellow, purple, cyan, and silver. However, you can use whatever colors you want. And here you can see we use the backslash, which helps us separate the colors list so that it's easier to see. Now that we have our colors list, we can go on to create the turtle screen. So for this, we want to create a black screen. So we can do this by setting a new variable, which we can just call s, and doing s equals turtle.screen and then open and close parentheses. This will first create the screen. Now we can set it to black. So we can do s.bgcolor and then black. This will set the whole screen for black. Now that we've set the turtle screen, we can now create the turtle object. As usual, we just do a random variable name like t, and then we set it equal to t equals turtle dot turtle and then open close parentheses. This will create the new turtle object. Now that we have our turtle object, let's increase the speed to 100. As we've done in the past, all we need to do is write t.speed and then to whatever we want to set it to. And in this case, we're setting it to 100. Now we can start the loop. I've chosen to use a for loop for this. You should start the code with for I in range and then the length of colors. This takes the list of colors that we created earlier and then finds the length, which is 12, and then loops through the index of 12. With each index, now we need to change the color. So we would change the color of our turtle t by doing t.color and then the list colors I. This will give us the color from the colors list based on the index that it's looping through. So when I is 1, we would get coral because the first index of colors is coral. And the second one is red, and third is blue, and so on and so on. Now that we've set the color, we can now start drawing. We can do this by turning the turtle right by a random number of degrees to create a tilt. This way, we're not just drawing along a straight line. We can do this by setting a new variable called turn_degree equals random.randint 20, 25. This will generate a random integer between 20 to 25, which we will use as our degree. And we do this by doing t.right and then the variable we just created, turn_degree. This means that the turtle will now turn right to that random degree that we generated. After doing this, we can now move the turtle forward and start drawing. We do this by simply writing t.forward10. Now the code will run through this based on the number of items in the colors list. After doing this, we will see a new shape has been generated, as noted on the right. We can rerun this program and see that it will generate the same shape. And that's all for today's video. Thank you.